The new SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting. Candidate Experience Exam is no longer about memorizing answers. SAP now tests how you solve real recruiting problems, explain solutions to AI stakeholders, and think like an SAP SuccessFactors consultant. In this video, you'll practice realistic scenario-based and performance-based exam tasks designed for the new AI role-play format. This certification is aimed at SAP consultants and recruiting implementation specialists working on real hiring transformation projects. In the actual exam, an AI stakeholder will challenge your decisions, ask follow-up questions, and evaluate your consulting approach in real time. Scenario 1. Candidate drop-off. Problem: a client reports that candidates abandon applications before completion. Improve the candidate experience. This is a classic SAP scenario-based question. The AI stakeholder may ask, why are candidates dropping off? What changes would you recommend? How would SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting solve this? A strong consultant response would include, first, analyze where candidates abandon the process. Then recommend shorter application forms, mobile-friendly application design, reduced mandatory fields, resume parsing, simplified navigation, faster job search experience. You should also explain how candidate experience tools improve engagement and increase application completion rates. The AI may continue with, how would you measure improvement? A consultant-level answer could include application conversion rate, candidate completion metrics, time to apply reduction, candidate satisfaction feedback. This is why SAP hands-on practice matters more than theory. Scenario 2. Career site branding. Issue: the client says their career portal does not reflect company branding and candidate engagement is low. In the SAP exam simulation, you must think like an implementation consultant. You should recommend career site builder customization, employer branding improvements, personalized candidate experience, mobile responsiveness, SEO optimization for job postings. The AI stakeholder may ask, how would branding impact recruiting success? Your response should connect technical configuration with business outcomes. For example, a well-designed career site improves employer reputation, increases candidate engagement, and attracts higher quality applicants. That business connection is critical in SAP exam tasks. If you want realistic SAP scenario-based questions and AI role-play practice for the exam, platforms like certshero.com provide exam simulations, mock tests, flashcards, and hands-on preparation aligned with the new SAP exam format. Practicing realistic consulting conversations can significantly improve confidence before the actual exam. Scenario 3. Recruiting workflow. Misconfiguration. Candidates are not moving correctly through recruiting stages, causing delays in hiring. This scenario tests troubleshooting and workflow analysis skills. A consultant should first identify workflow configuration issues, permission mismatches, incorrect status mappings, notification failures. Your solution may include reviewing recruiting route maps, correcting applicant status configuration, verifying recruiter permissions, testing workflow automation, ensuring notifications trigger properly. The AI may ask, how would you validate the fix before production deployment? A strong answer includes sandbox testing, end-to-end recruiting simulation, user acceptance testing, recruiter validation sessions. That's the mindset SAP expects in performance-based exams. Scenario 4. Candidate experience optimization strategy. The company wants to improve hiring competitiveness through better candidate experience. Here, SAP tests strategic consulting ability. You should recommend mobile-first recruiting experience, personalized communication, talent community engagement, faster hiring workflows, analytics-driven optimization. The key is balancing technical implementation with business goals. Your answer should show that SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting is not just a system configuration tool. It directly impacts hiring efficiency and employer branding. That's exactly how SAP scenario-based questions are evaluated. Today, you practiced realistic SAP recruiting scenarios. These are the exact consultant-level skills required in the SAP Certified, SAP SuccessFactors Recruiting Candidate Experience Exam. If you want deeper SAP hands-on practice, AI role-play simulations, flashcards, and full SAP exam simulation training, visit certshero.com and continue practicing consistently. The more real scenarios you solve, the more confident you become in the actual SAP exam, and that's how real SAP consultants prepare.